up, everybody? Don't mind the lawnmower. My grandma's on the lawnmower, but we're out here, and this boat needs to be cleaned. This is my cousin's boat. He wanted to get it fixed up so he can start fishing. Me and him are gonna go do some fishing trips maybe in the future. So we're gonna clean up his boat. So let's get right into it. Okay, so we have some really bad news. The power washer sucks. It does not work. It's broken. So it's not going to be the best transformation now, but we're still going to put every effort that we can into it. Okay guys, so now we have a new update. We're not going to be able to finish the inside because it's supposed to start raining, and I'm going home tomorrow, so my cousin said with here in the next day or so that he'll clean out the inside. Alright, now on to the other side. Okay, so here's the boat on the outside. We were able to get it all cleaned up. Looks real good. The side's faded just a little bit. But for the time that we have, because it's about to start raining, and for what we did, all we had was a water hose. It looks pretty good. Here's the seats. They're rinsed off. Got the front all rinsed off.